Students, today we will learn use of clipboard in MS Word. This is MS Word application program. Already you know about the MS Word. In third class have you learned about this? This is the title bar. If we will save our file, that file name will come on title bar, and this is quick access toolbar where from you can open the options quickly, like save option, undo. Okay, and these are minimize, restore and close button. This is menu bar. These are tab: home tab, insert tab, layout tab, and this is called ribbon. In ribbon, this is clipboard group, this is font group, this is paragraph group, this is text area where you can type your text. This is called cursor. One small blinking line here, this is called cursor. You can type your text here. Now we will know about the use of clipboard. This is the clipboard. Suppose this text we have. Okay, without selecting, these options will not highlighted. You can see these are not highlighted. When you will select the text, they will work. Now these are highlighted. Yes, firstly we should know how to select the text. One option, we have to selecting the text by using mouse. We will press hold the mouse left button and then we will drag over the text. It will be selected. Okay, now these 4 lines are selected. And another option, by using keyboard we can select the text. Suppose our cursor on the last line, and if you want to select the text, so we will press now here, press hold shift key and then left arrow key. Text will be selected. Okay, left side text will be selected. Suppose our cursor here, and if you want to select text right side, so we will press hold shift key and then we will press right arrow key. Text will be selected from right side. Okay, if you want to select down side, then you will press hold shift key and down arrow key. Text will be selected down side. And now see your cursor on third line and you want to select up side 2 lines. So what you will do, you will press hold shift key and you will press up arrow key. Select will be, text will be selected upside. Okay, so this is the method to select the text. We can select the text by using mouse and by using keyboard. Okay, clipboard option when we can use if text already we have selected, otherwise we can't use. First option here, we will use copy. Suppose if we want to copy this text, so firstly we will select it, and where we want to put, we will leave our cursor there. Firstly we will select the text, then copy. Shortcut key for this, Ctrl plus C. You will press hold Ctrl key from keyboard and then you will press C letter. Okay, and now where you want to paste, suppose here. Okay, so you will leave your cursor here and then you will click on paste command. Text will be pasted there, and by using shortcut key you will press Ctrl plus V. Text will be pasted there. Okay, and now let's see the use of cut command. Suppose this word only group we want to cut from here, we not need here this word. So what we will do, firstly we will select it and then we will click on cut command, and for shortcut key Control plus X. This is now not here. Where you want to move this, you will leave there your cursor firstly, and then you will click on paste option, and shortcut key you can use, you will press Control plus V. Text will be pasted there. Yes, na? Group word is here, that is not there. Okay, understood? Now we will learn the use of format printer. Suppose you have formatted here, you have changed the color, and you have bold, and you have done the size 22, and now you want this format on these lines also. So what you will do, firstly you will select it, and then you will click on format printer, and where you want to format, then you will drag over the text. It will be formatted there also. Okay, thank you.